Okay, I got the S10 in the shop tonight. I got an issue, just started a few days ago. Blinker's going crazy. Usually that means there is a bulb burnt out. But if I turn the parking lights off, which I can't do because I'm in the shop and it thinks it's night out, it straightens out. So I don't know if we're getting a backfeeding issue or something with the parking lights on. So that kind of thinking more like a ground. There's a ground issue with this. So I'm going to lift it up and take a look at all the grounds. I really don't think it's a bulb, because like I said, when the parking lights are off, it seems to work. So I'm going to raise this up, check the grounds under there, see what's going on. Okay, I got it raised up and it looks like I found an issue. Right there. That's a ground wire, and it looks to me like it's been pinched and cut off, looks like. I'm going to hook that back up, see what it does. Okay, I got that ground just touching again, and you can see that fixed the problem. So apparently that wire got cut, or I don't know what the heck happened. Something happened 2-3 days ago. Looks to me like it's been cut, but I don't think anybody would be under there cutting wires, so I don't know what happened. I got to try to repair that. It's really close to the plug, so it's going to be a tough fix. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do here, but I got to reconnect that wire, so that's the problem. Just a ground wire that got cut somehow. Okay, I had to pull this connector apart. Apparently these are all connected, and there's one ground, which is the ground that broke. You can see that I took out the connector on the end. That's the one that was broken. It was broken too short for me to connect it back together. So I took a little screwdriver. You gotta take a little screwdriver, really small. This is a jeweler's screwdriver. And you gotta pry up to unhook it. There's a slot there. You gotta push up on the little plastic tab to get this out. This is actually the little connector. And my thing's gonna be stubborn and not focus here. Anyway, this is the connector, and I had to solder an extension on because it was too short to be able to put the wire back on and be able to get this back inside there so it can use the original plug. So I got this soldered on. I'm going to push it up in there, make sure it fits. Okay, I just test fit it, make sure it would fit in there. And I just put some heat shrink over it, keep it from corroding. So this should be a permanent fix for this. Also going to use them heat shrink connectors to connect it back to the ground. So this should be a permanent repair. And there's the fix. Just gonna plug it back in and plug my stuff back in here, and good to go. Okay, well, I got it up in the air. I have a vibration or something coming from the exhaust. I thought it was the tip, but I believe I found the problem, and there's the heat shield. There's supposed to be a strap that goes around there that holds that on, and I see the strap is broken. See, that one's got the strap, that one's got the strap, but this strap is broken and it's causing a vibration that's driving me crazy. So I'm gonna have to rig something up here, maybe a wire or something. I would weld that, but I'm not sure what that is, but it looks pretty rusty. I think I just put a piece of wire. I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep this muffler. I might try like a 50 series Flowmaster. I don't really want anything loud because I don't think a V6 sounds very good no matter what you do to it. So I'm just going to probably put a wire around that, see if it stops it. Hopefully it stops it, because that vibration is driving me nuts when I hear it. Okay, just got a piece of wire up there. I know that ain't a great fix, but it's gonna keep me from going crazy hearing that thing until I figure out what I'm doing with the muffler. So, 2 things fixed on the S10. Pretty easy fixes. Took a little bit of time, but there she be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.